An equation is given, y equals 3x plus c. Choose an equivalent equation by solving for x in terms of y and c. So here, all it means when it says solving for x in terms of y and c, this means x is the variable that we want to isolate. So we want to get x on one side of the equation all by itself. So we have y equals 3x plus c. The first thing we need to do is take that plus c at the end and use our inverse operations to move it to the other side of the equals sign. So the inverse of adding is subtracting. So we're going to subtract c from both sides of the equation. When we do that on the left-hand side, that's just going to turn into y minus c. Because remember, those aren't like terms. We can't combine them. We can just say we're going to take y and subtract c from it. So we get y minus c is equal to 3x. Now remember, 3x, that's 3 times x, and the inverse of multiplying by 3 would be to divide by 3. So we're going to divide both sides of the equation by 3. When we do that, y minus c, we're dividing that whole quantity by 3 on the left, and on the right here, 3 over 3 makes a giant 1. So when we do that, we get y minus c, that quantity divided by 3, is equal to x. So the correct answer here, one equivalent equation, would be A.